Lou, Chris, and I are out on a motorcycle ride to check out the Imperial National Wildlife Refuge. Here we are starting at the information center. After that, we rode to the end of the refuge, and then on the way back, we stopped at all the points of interest.
This must join onto the river. What is this, Clear Lake? I'm sure it was a fish.
Here's Lou and Chris leaving Clear Lake. I better get out of the way. Watch him lose a little control in that deep sand down there.
Okay, we're at the next stop. This is Smoky Tree Point. And that's the Colorado River.
Here's Lou and Chris coming down the Red Cloud Mine Road. We're heading to our next stop.
Well, we made it to Arnwood Point.
Painted Desert Trail is a 1.3-mile hike that takes you through the Sonoran Desert. That trail you see is what we just hiked along.
Walk up there, Lou.
Here's the only wildlife we seen on the hike.
He's a brave little guy.
The people talking behind me thought Chris must be awful brave, or maybe awful crazy, for riding on the bike behind Lou.
What was she thinking? Yeah, I don't know. You better get control of her at some point.
You don't want to be his passenger. This here is Mesquite Point. This is Palo Verde Point. Not much here.
This here is the last viewpoint on our tour. Coming up in the background, you can see these big balloons or blimps. From what I'm told, they are there to keep an eye on the border for drones or airplanes crossing over with drugs.
Oh look, there's two of those blimps on the ground. I don't know if you can see it, but one way up in the sky.
And this is Fisher's Landing. This was our last stop. We got a drink here and then headed for home. Fisher's Landing is on a little bay or inlet just off the Colorado River.